In prime time news this evening, interdicted, former acting permanent secretary in the Ministry of Education Grace McLean barred from returning to work. Forgotten baby syndrome, why it can happen to anyone. And later, Jamaica now testing for COVID variants. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the Prime Minister's argument done stance on the COVID-19 pandemic? You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.